Hey guys, this is Bhavik. Let's start our first video on email marketing, and the topic for like how to like there are different ways how to nurture your email. So like you see the top 5 ways to nurture your email. So I'll just share my screen. Just a second. Okay, so let's. There are 5 components that I've listed down over here. So first, like this introduction, like building an engaging email list is very important, and because for it is an important part of any business that wants to success in these days. When you have learned how to execute a well-planned email strategy, you effectively create amazing returns in your marketing, include repeat sales, customer loyalty, returning website visitors, which help you to improve your search engine ranking and being as reliable source and expert in the industry. When you create a own your email marketing campaign and focus time and energy on building and fostering relationship with your subscribers, you can catapult your business success to the next level. The key able to foster and nurture email new subscribers is through cultivation by sharing content with your subscribers that offers value, problem solves, and engage your readers. You will be able to move in closer to a buying decision strategically. The message that you send to your subscribers help you be uh, connected to your brand. And the more value you offer them, the more likely they are going to be not only open your emails but engage them as well. If you don't have a strategy in place to convert your leads and customer, it is pointless to time spent to spend your time to grow your lead count. With the proper nurturing technique, your email subscriber will look forward to hearing from you. Here are the 5 ways which we see to grow your email subscribers, increase engagement, generate sales with your email marketing. Create a welcome series, which is very important. Having a welcome series that greets your subscribers will dramatically separate you, your business with your competitor, and put your brand to a good light with your target audience. These emails should be friendly, inviting, and they give your new subscriber a taste of your brand culture. With this welcome emails will set your stage of scenes of your business. This is the time that you want to introduce yourself and how you can help your customers. Take your time to tell your story, each post building on the last. You might want to be to provide a 5-part training, a series, or advising regarding your related niche. Your welcome emails can be as unique and creative as you want. This will help you to improve your open rates, and your email list will be much more receptive to upcoming sales promotions in the future. Next, evergreen blogs and articles. The content on your blog serves multiple purposes in marketing your business. First of all, it helps your business attract a steady stream of organic traffic from social media, search, and fund referrals. To achieve the best result, you would need to make sure that you are writing evergreen articles and posts. Evergreen articles are those that they are created to provide value to readers all year and beyond. The articles aren't based on the trends and what's in, other they are articles that your reader finds most useful and reflective over time. Evergreen article should be insightful. educational, and highly relevant to customers without being news oriented or date specific. Another reason why you should create an shareable evergreen content is that you also serve as a free valuable material, and that can include email newsletter that you can send it to your subscribers. Instead, try to recycle your best performing articles instead of sending more and more articles. Try to serve them the best performing articles, the most readable articles which you have noticed, so that the new subscriber will always receive your best stuff. Next is offer updates, daily content updates, or monthly or weekly. In exchange for your visitor's email address, you can offer content upgrades, which are well targeted piece of your bonus content and is downloadable with a specific blog article to specifically address the topic and it's been discussed in the blog. For example, for a human resource consultant, write a blog on best practice for your high performing team leaders. You can get given a short ebook which they can download and learn. The content upgrades that you offer new subscribers should be useful, highly relevant to the topic, and actionable. If you don't have time to spend to create a unique content upgrade for each of your blog articles, you can also keep an eye on those articles which are massive readership and unique content. Next is publish monthly articles or newsletters. They are number of tremendous benefits that you can gain by sharing a monthly newsletter with your subscriber list. Uh, Newsletters are an ideal performing or ideal platform for keeping your list active to know and connected with your brand, with the company as well as what's happening in the industry. You can give a roster of your articles with both yours and those are authoritative sales or which can drive the sales. Creating a newsletter, email list is writing a winning strategy, which helps a boost in engagement and growth of your business as well as conversion in your sales. Let's see some few best way to write your newsletter. Use a colorful and compelling design and template that captures attention and exudes your brand. Make sure your newsletters share company news, uh, industry-related content, and custom testimonials, and etc. Be sure to curative content from other writers as a way you can highlight and best source in the industry. Promote your most popular blog. Include large, distinct call to action button and showcase team members in your newsletters. Next, we have segment your email list. Segmentation is growing hacking trick, which is very important and can significantly improve your bottom line of your business. In fact, many marketers have enjoyed a 760% increase in revenue via this tactics in email marketing. And also important, also been reported that segmenting and target email campaign generate 58% of all revenue generated from other businesses. Email segmentation allows you to create a personalized email that speak directly to the subscribers. The idea behind segmentation is that you use a demographic information that you have collected, like the likes, dislikes, interests, etc. We have some category, like let's see, you can create a gender-based, age-based, demographic, like the city, region, the state, country-wise, etc. Career, preferred or loyal customers, past purchases, and buyers. Concluding this, like nurturing your newly built email list is just as important as growing the number of subscribers you have. When you have regularly share your useful content with your subscribers, that informs them, it helps them to solve their problems, inspires them, helps them your brand to grow in their minds. Keep those strategies that work and refine those don't work. With consistency, you will be able to create a winning formula that will transform your email list into segment rate machine. Okay, that's the end of the video of this seminar. I hope you enjoyed. Can kindly share your feedback on this video. Thank you.